been relentless in moving the ball methodically down the field. He's going for the line. Off the play fake. He lost it high and deep down the